Hey, there! You are welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of the best kept secrets in the world of beauty, castor oil, and more specifically, why it's the ultimate beauty hack for before bedtime. Castor oil is a natural oil that's extracted from castor beans. It's rich in fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals that are beneficial for our skin, hair, and nails. And the best part is, it's affordable and easily accessible. But what makes castor oil the ultimate beauty hack for before bedtime? Well, for starters, it's incredibly moisturizing. When you apply castor oil to your skin, it forms a protective barrier that locks in moisture and prevents water loss. This is especially important for those with dry, flaky skin, as it can help to soothe and hydrate. To use castor oil before bedtime, simply apply a few drops onto your fingertips and massage it into your skin using circular motions. Focus on any areas that are particularly dry, such as your cheeks or forehead. But castor oil isn't just great for your skin, it's also amazing for your hair. The fatty acids in castor oil help to nourish and strengthen your hair, while the vitamin E promotes hair growth and prevents breakage. To use castor oil on your hair, simply apply a few drops to your scalp and massage it in. Then, use a comb to distribute the oil evenly throughout your hair. Leave it in overnight, and wash it out in the morning for soft, shiny locks. And last but not least, castor oil is great for your nails too. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties can help to prevent nail infections, while its moisturizing properties can help to strengthen and nourish your nails. To use castor oil on your nails, simply apply a few drops to each nail and massage it in. Then, file your nails as usual and let the oil absorb overnight for stronger, healthier nails. So there you have it, castor oil is truly the ultimate beauty hack for before bedtime. Whether you're looking to hydrate your skin, nourish your hair, or strengthen your nails, castor oil has got you covered. And the best part is, it's affordable and easy to use. So make sure you watch to the end for more information. Give castor oil a try tonight and see the amazing benefits for yourself. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. This has gained popularity in the beauty world as a miracle oil for skin, hair, and overall wellness. In this article, we will discuss the reasons why castor oil is the ultimate beauty hack for before bedtime. 1. Moisturizing. Moisturizing your skin is an essential part of any beauty routine, and castor oil is an excellent natural moisturizer that can hydrate and nourish your skin like no other. As a natural humectant, castor oil is able to attract moisture from the air and retain it in the skin, leaving it hydrated and refreshed. In addition to its moisturizing properties, castor oil is also rich in fatty acids that can help to improve skin elasticity and promote a youthful glow. These fatty acids work by penetrating deep into the skin and providing it with the necessary nutrients it needs to stay healthy and supple. One of the best things about castor oil is that it is suitable for all skin types, including oily, dry, and combination skin. If you have oily skin, you may be hesitant to use oil-based products on your skin, but castor oil is a non-comedogenic oil, which means it will not clog your pores and cause breakouts. In fact, it can actually help to regulate oil production and reduce the appearance of acne. To use castor oil as a moisturizer, simply apply a small amount to your face and massage it in gently before bedtime. You can also mix it with other oils or natural ingredients to create a customized moisturizer that suits your skin type and needs. For example, you can mix it with coconut oil, honey, or aloe vera gel to create a hydrating and nourishing face mask. Overall, using castor oil as a moisturizer can help to improve the texture and appearance of your skin, leaving it soft, supple, and glowing. So, if you are looking for a natural and effective way to moisturize your skin, consider adding castor oil to your nighttime beauty routine. 2. Promotes hair growth. Castor oil is also known for its hair growth properties. It contains ricinoleic acid, which is a potent natural antifungal and antibacterial agent that helps to cleanse the scalp and promote hair growth. When applied to the scalp before bedtime, castor oil stimulates blood circulation and nourishes the hair follicles, resulting in thicker, fuller, and healthier hair. its moisturizing benefits for the skin. Castor oil is also a popular natural remedy for promoting hair growth. This is because castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, a powerful fatty acid that has been shown to have antifungal and antibacterial properties. These properties help to cleanse the scalp of impurities and bacteria, creating a healthy environment for hair growth. When applied to the scalp before bedtime, castor oil also helps to stimulate blood circulation, which in turn nourishes the hair follicles and promotes hair growth. This increased blood flow brings essential nutrients to the hair follicles, providing them with the necessary support to produce stronger, thicker, and healthier hair. One of the best things about castor oil is that it can be used on all hair types, including natural, relaxed, and color-treated hair. It is also suitable for people with sensitive scalps, as it is a gentle and natural remedy that does not contain harsh chemicals or irritants. To use castor oil for hair growth, simply apply a small amount to your scalp and massage it in gently before bedtime. You can also mix it with other oils or natural ingredients to create a customized hair growth treatment. For example, you can mix it with coconut oil or olive oil to create a nourishing hair mask. It is important to note that while castor oil can be an effective natural remedy for promoting hair growth, it is not a miracle cure. Hair growth is a complex process that depends on a variety of factors, including genetics, diet, and overall health. However, adding castor oil to your hair care routine can help to support healthy hair growth and improve the overall health of your hair. 3. Reduces dark circles. Dark circles under the eyes can be frustrating and difficult to get rid of. However, castor oil can be an effective natural remedy for reducing their appearance. This is because castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, which has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce swelling and puffiness under the eyes. In addition, castor oil also helps to improve blood circulation in the under eye area, which can help to reduce the appearance of dark circles. When applied before bedtime, it can help to lighten the skin and reduce puffiness, resulting in a more youthful and refreshed appearance. To use castor oil for reducing dark circles, simply apply a small amount to the under eye area and gently massage it in before bedtime. You can also mix it with other natural ingredients to create a customized eye serum. For example, you can mix it with almond oil, vitamin E oil, or cucumber juice to enhance its brightening and anti-inflammatory properties. It is important to note that while castor oil can be effective in reducing the appearance of dark circles, it may not work for everyone. Dark circles can be caused by a variety of factors, including genetics and age, so it is important to address the underlying causes of dark circles in addition to using castor oil. 4. Fights acne. Castor oil is also effective in treating acne-prone skin. Its antimicrobial properties help to kill bacteria that cause acne, while its anti-inflammatory properties reduce redness and swelling. When applied to the face before bedtime, castor oil helps to unclog pores and reduce the appearance of blemishes, resulting in clearer, smoother skin. 5. Improves digestion. Castor oil has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for digestive problems. When ingested before bedtime, it helps to stimulate the digestive system, promote bowel movement, and relieve constipation. This, in turn, helps to detoxify the body and improve overall health. Thank you for watching our video on why castor oil is the ultimate beauty hack for before bedtime. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips and tricks, as well as product reviews and tutorials. By subscribing to our channel, you'll be the first to know about our latest videos and updates, and you'll never miss out on any of our valuable content. So, whether you're looking to improve your skin, promote hair growth, or reduce the appearance of dark circles, we've got you covered with all the best tips and advice. Thank you again for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more great content in the future. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss a video.